How to fix Facebook automatic logout problem? Let's see how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, find Facebook apps and then long press on Facebook apps. Open Facebook app info. Click on I button or app info. Scroll down. Go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen and then go to Play Store or App Store. Now search for Facebook. Click on search app and search for Facebook. Update your Facebook apps in latest version. If available, update version. After completing update process, now restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Facebook and check your problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, then uninstall your Facebook apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.